Class 12, today we'll study another drug, and that is your antipruritus, and it is basically a chemical substance which is used to bring down the body temperature in high fever. Whenever you are having a high fever, then only you can take these types of drugs. And what happens, these drugs affects the hypothalamic center of the body, which in turns activates the dilations of the peripheral body vessels, and this increase the rate of perspiration. And what happened, the heat of the body is lost and temperature gets lowered. For that we take, I have written two examples for it. First is aspirin and other is paracetamol. You can use some other antipruritus also. There are plenty of examples given, and it's very important that in this, the aspirin is very common antipruritus which is known. They are not taken when you are empty stomach. Now the next topic is antimicrobials. In this we'll see that these are the chemical substances which is used to cure diseases that is being caused by the microbes, or you can say microorganisms, or even the pathogens. These pathogens, or you can say microorganisms, are like bacteria and viruses, fungi. We use means these microorganisms is being cured by when you eat or you take this type of drug. In this, what happened ki these pathogens are basically affecting your body, either through your skin or some other medium, by saliva, with your tears, or by other things. So what happened ki we have to take or intake these types of drugs, and in this, these drugs basically control these microorganisms by killing them or by reducing their activity or their growth. These drugs also increases the immunity and the resistance to the infection of the bodies. In this, antimicrobial drugs we categorize into different, you can say, types, and in this I have written antibiotics, antiseptic, disinfectants. We'll study them one by one. We have others also like sulfur drugs and all, but we are in our course we have these threes, and we will discuss these threes. Now the headings, I have written away antibiotics, which comes in the antimicrobial. Now it is a chemical substance, you know it. It has been produced by the microorganisms, that is bacteria, fungi, molds, and these microorganisms are used, or you can say it has been used for producing these drugs, so that it will affect the growth or even destroy the microorganisms that are responsible for the infection in the human body. Means these microorganisms are very useful in producing these types of drugs, and with this only we can have different drugs, and it affect these other microorganisms which are very harmful to the human bodies. So these microorganisms through which or from which these antibiotics are generated, they basically destroy or even kill, or you can say reduce the activities of the other microorganisms which are the cause for the infections.